You two don't try. Oh yeah, clap for yourself, clap for yourself. It's not easy to watch part 1, part 2, part 3, and now you're about to check out part 4. So oh yeah, feel free, try this problem. They said if 104 in base x is equal to 68, find x. Now, notice that one of these numbers, this part, they did not put the number base. They just gave you a figure of 68. And you'll be wondering, what number base is this 68? Don't worry. Anytime they give you a number and they don't put the number base, it is automatically in base 10. So 68 is in base 10. We don't have a problem with that. But then 104 is in base x. The only way we can solve this problem is for us to be very sure that this one is in the same base with this one. Now 68 we already know is in base 10, but 104 is in base x. So we need to convert this guy to base 10. Then we simplify. So let's go ahead and convert it to base 10. You know the drill. So cross these two guys, put in the number base x, cross this one, put in the number base x, and then we simplify. 1 times x will give us x. X plus 0. Anything you add to 0 will still give us that number. So x plus 0 will still give us x. Now x times x is like having x times x. And x times x will give you what? X squared. Good. And then x squared plus 4, that is our final result. So our final result is x squared plus 4. So that is it in base 10. And this is equal to this guy, which is 68. Because 68 is already in base 10. So what do? We go ahead and simplify this. So what's the next thing to do? We are looking for x. So let's get rid of this plus positive 4 here. To remove it from here, we put it on the other side by introducing the reverse operation, which is negative 4. Negative 4 on both sides. Then we simplify. So positive 4 minus negative 4, these two will go. I am left with x squared. And this is equal to 68 minus 4 will give us 64. So what do I do next? You know, this is a square function, which means it's going to have 2 answers. So what do? We introduce a square root on both sides. To eliminate a square, we introduce the reverse operation, which is square root. So root both sides, take the square root of both sides. And when you do that, this square root will take care of these 2. And then we have x. This x will now be equal to plus or minus the square root of what? 64. And the square root of 64 is simply plus or minus 8. And you know, number base is not a negative integer, but rather a positive integer. Therefore, our answer is equal to plus 8. So that is the number base. Bye-bye.